flush trim bits use a bearing to follow a pattern and cut a nice clean edge flush to the pattern. But to get the cleanest cut, you need the router to be taking off just a fraction of an inch. Imagine using the same pattern following concept at your bandsaw to take that first step. A guide similar to the bearing on the router bit that physically holds you just a fraction of an inch off the pattern as you cut. Well, you can stop dreaming and start cutting with Woodpecker's new SteadyCurve Magnetic Bandsaw Template Guide. SteadyCurve straddles your bandsaw blade and holds you just off the edge of the pattern. Just keep the template follower against the pattern as you push your stock through the saw. When you're through, the sawn edge is just proud of the pattern and uniform all the way around. Now head to the router table to trim off that last little bit. And your project is done. You can vary the offset of the SteadyCurve from 1/16 inch to a full 1/4 inch away from the pattern. And when you get it where you want it, SteadyCurve clamps down to your bandsaw table magnetically with just the flick of a switch. 2 mounting positions are provided for the arm. One accommodates smaller tables on 12-inch and 14-inch bandsaws. The second position works on 14-inch saws with extension tables and all larger bandsaws. 2 template followers are included, one for 1/4 inch blades and one for 1/8 inch blades. The arm adjusts up and down to accommodate stock as thin as 1/4 inch and up to 4 inches. The mag switch clamps not only make setup a breeze, they make storage just as simple. From cheese boards to chair legs, any project that relies on a pattern should start with SteadyCurve. Order yours today.